Hello everybody. Even though it's not season 2 premiere, I'm not too excited. Yes, you heard me. Season 2 premiere and I'm not excited. I can't believe. That's unbelievable. But I'm upset because I was playing Guitar Hero and I failed. Let's have a little flashback. Rockin' world balls. It's rockin' world. Dang it! That is why I'm upset. And I'm even more upset because my body told me that one of the rooms in the basement was haunted. Yes, haunted. It's that room right there. See, I'm not going in there. Never, never, because ghosts may get me. Never, but I know so I don't like ghosts. So I guess I'll just play more Guitar Hero. This time I'll do the singing. Okay, I'll go in now. I hate Guitar Hero though. But we got to be prepared, so let's go kill some monsters. Let's go. Doesn't look so haunted to me. Oh no, I saw a ghost in there.